Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can generate video for free. Every day you have some credits to create a video like this. It's a very good replace for Grok AI, which nowadays it's not free. Let's get started. First, open a new tab, search for Flow. Enter. Open this link, the first link. I provide this link in the description of this video. Click it. Create with Flow. First of all, you have to sign it to your account. You have to sign your account or create an account. It's very easy to create your account. Credits refresh daily. You have 120 credits every day. Okay, now I am signed into my account and click new project. Here we have start and end. Select start. First of all, we have to have an image to animate it. So just upload an image. I selected this image. It shows uploading the image. Now the image is uploaded perfectly. Click here. This option just you can generate more images, and for this one you can generate video. Here you can select it frames. This frame you want or this frame. Also VO 3.1 light, VO 3.1. It shows for this one it needs 30 credit. This one it needs 40 credit. If you use this one, you can create 3 videos. By this one, you can create 4 videos. By this one, you can create 8 videos. By this one, you can create 12 video every day. So I select this one. Here write prompt. The old man with the lamp walks in front of the Davis, and the lamp plays and jump. Okay, for the is surprisingly watch them. Just enter. We have to wait to generating the video. Yes, the video is created. Click it.
Look at him go. By the stars, it jumps higher than me. What a fluffy little menace. Look at him go. By the stars, it jumps higher.
That's the way to create the video. And if you want to download it, just click here, this option, download. You can download this in GIF, download with 720 pixel, or for 1080 and for 4K you have to pay. For example, I download it with this quality. Name it lamp. Save. If you want to find the video, click this one and play it.
Look at him go. By the stars, it jumps higher than me. What a fluffy little menace.
If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.